Welcome back to Fact Bloom Insights. Beneath the rolling waves and sunlit surface of our world's oceans lies a realm that has long eluded human understanding, a hidden world of remarkable complexity and resilience. For centuries, the ocean floor was thought to be a desolate expanse, shrouded in perpetual darkness, seemingly inhospitable to life. Yet recent scientific breakthroughs have shattered these old assumptions, revealing thriving ecosystems not just on the seabed, but deep beneath it, where life flourishes in conditions previously deemed impossible. In October 2024, a team of researchers aboard the Schmidt Ocean Institute's vessel, known as Falkor 2, made a discovery that has fundamentally changed our perception of the ocean's depths. Exploring the hydrothermal vent fields of the East Pacific Rise, they employed remotely operated vehicles to peer beneath the very crust of the Earth. What they found was astonishing. Beneath the seafloor itself, in cavities only 4 inches deep and filled with warm, mineral-rich fluids, lived entire communities of animals. Among these were giant tube worms and a range of other species, thriving in total darkness and without access to sunlight. This ecosystem, hidden away in the subseafloor cavities, demonstrates that life is not limited to the exposed surfaces of the ocean floor. Instead, organisms have adapted to inhabit warm, fluid-filled pockets, drawing energy from chemical reactions rather than photosynthesis. The presence of such vibrant animal communities in these extreme environments has redefined what scientists consider viable habitats for life both on Earth and potentially elsewhere in the universe. The discovery of these subseafloor ecosystems also highlights the intricate interconnectedness between the surface and subsurface realms of the ocean. The cavities where these animals dwell are linked to hydrothermal vents, which act as conduits for mineral-laden fluids rising from deep within the Earth. These vents, once seen as isolated columns of heat and chemicals, now appear to support a vast web of life stretching both above and below the seabed. The adaptability of giant tube worms and other vent-dwelling species underscores the incredible resilience of life in the face of extreme pressure, temperature, and darkness. This new understanding challenges long-held beliefs about the limits of habitability. Traditionally, sunlight was considered an essential driver of life, with photosynthesis forming the foundation of most ecosystems. However, the animals living beneath the seafloor demonstrate that chemosynthesis, deriving energy from chemical reactions, can support complex communities in completely lightless environments. This revelation not only broadens our knowledge of Earth's biodiversity, but also expands the possibilities for life on other planets and moons, where sunlight may be absent, but chemical energy is abundant. The implications of these findings are profound. Marine biodiversity is far richer and more adaptable than previously thought, with hidden ecosystems contributing to the overall health and stability of the ocean. Subsurface habitats may play a crucial role in nutrient cycling, energy flow, and even the resilience of surface communities to environmental changes. As researchers continue to probe the depths with advanced technology, it becomes clear that the ocean's secrets are far from exhausted. But the ocean's hidden wonders are not confined to the realm beneath the sea floor. Recent studies have unveiled another extraordinary ecosystem: vast underwater forests formed by seaweeds, stretching across the globe in a silent, underwater expanse. In 2022, scientists quantified the scale of these underwater forests, finding that they cover between 6 million and 7.2 million square kilometers, an area twice the size of India. These forests are composed primarily of kelp and other fast-growing seaweeds, which anchor themselves to rocks and sway with the currents, creating dense, productive habitats. The productivity of these underwater forests is nothing short of remarkable. In temperate regions, their growth rates often exceed those of terrestrial crops, making them some of the fastest-growing plants on Earth. These seaweed forests support an incredible diversity of marine life, providing food and shelter for fish, invertebrates, and countless other organisms. They also play a vital role in carbon sequestration, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and helping mitigate the impacts of climate change. Yet, despite their importance, underwater forests face significant threats. Climate change and increasing marine heat waves have led to substantial losses in some regions, as rising temperatures disrupt the delicate balance that allows seaweeds to thrive. Habitat destruction, pollution, and overharvesting further imperil these ecosystems, endangering the myriad species that depend on them. The loss of underwater forests can have cascading effects, reducing marine biodiversity and undermining the ocean's ability to regulate climate. Together, the discoveries of thriving subseafloor animal communities and expansive underwater forests paint a picture of the ocean as a dynamic, interconnected system, rich in hidden life and untapped potential. These revelations underscore the urgency of continued exploration and conservation efforts. As humans push ever deeper into the ocean's mysteries, advanced technologies like remotely operated vehicles and deep-sea sensors are enabling scientists to access and study environments that were once unreachable. The ocean's hidden ecosystems also offer hope and inspiration for the future. They demonstrate the resilience of life, its capacity to adapt and flourish in the most unlikely places. They remind us that our planet is far more complex and wondrous than we often realize, with secrets waiting to be uncovered beneath every wave and within every shadowed crevice. The recent findings reveal that the subseafloor cavities along the East Pacific Rise, just 4 inches deep and filled with warm fluids, are inhabited by giant tube worms and other remarkable animals. These communities thrive totally devoid of sunlight, relying instead on the chemical energy provided by the hydrothermal vents. This interconnected network links the surface and subsurface worlds, showing that life can persist and even flourish in conditions that challenge our very definitions of habitability. Meanwhile, underwater forests, spanning 6 to 7.2 million square kilometers, demonstrate the ocean's astonishing productivity. These seaweed forests grow at rates faster than many terrestrial plants, outpacing even some of the world's most productive agricultural crops. Their role in supporting marine life and sequestering carbon highlights their ecological importance, while their vulnerability to climate change serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of these hidden worlds. As we deepen our exploration of the ocean, each new discovery adds another layer to our understanding, emphasizing the need to protect these vital habitats. The hidden world beneath the ocean is not only a testament to the adaptability and diversity of life, it is an invaluable part of our planet's natural heritage. By continuing to study, explore, and preserve these ecosystems, we honor the mysteries of the deep and safeguard the future of life on Earth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to follow the next videos.